Hey guys, it's Elle. What is up? I hope you guys are all staying blessed. In this video, we are just going to be talking about how to use the placebo effect to manifest your desires. And I am your favorite spiritual YouTuber. So I'm going to be helping you understand what the placebo effect is and how you can use it in your favor. The meaning of the placebo effect is convincing yourself that something has benefit when it actually has no benefit. So, for an example, they have done many studies on this where they took, I think it was either injured people or like in pain or like sick people, and they had two groups of people. In one group, they gave pills that actually worked for them to help heal themselves. In the other group, they probably just gave them like sugar pills or like fake pills that actually don't do anything. And what happened was they both ended up healing and being better because that one group that just took the pills knowing that it's going to help them with something. They took these pills and they were like, okay, this is going to help me heal, this is going to help me get rid of my pain. And what did it do? It helped them get rid of their pain even though there was nothing in the pill. So you can use this while you're manifesting. It's literally like whatever you tell your subconscious, it has no choice but to believe it. And so it's crazy because, like, let's say you get depression pills and they're literally just sugar pills, and you take the pills knowing that your depression's gonna go away, and it just goes away because you assumed that these pills were gonna help you and have some type of benefit, even though they were just sugar pills and they didn't have any benefit. But it cured your depression, so how the fuck does that happen? So what you say, and what you say repetitively, your subconscious will believe. That's why I say stop focusing on the 3D, or even what you don't want, or what you are doubting, or what your limiting beliefs are saying to you. You can't think that way because that is your reality right now, and you want to create it into the reality that you desire, whether it's money, your SP, a job, getting into college, university, anything. So once you convince yourself of something and tell yourself something repetitively, your subconscious will believe it. It kind of has to. That's how you're here right now. And a lot of people use this to manifest. They use the placebo effect. I have also used it to manifest with water as well as my daily activities, and it has helped drastically because I'm using it in my favor. And the placebo effect is really good to manifest things that have a lot of resistance. When you have a lot of resistance, it can be really hard to just work through and sit down with yourself and reflect it within yourself. So the placebo effect helps this. So with the placebo effect, you convince yourself whatever you're doing, whether it's brushing your teeth, going for a walk, making a YouTube video like I'm doing right now, exercising, when you go in, drink some water, when you drink that tea. While you're doing that action, you're telling yourself that your manifestation is coming faster, or it's here now because you're doing that action. Like when you drink your water, your SP is in love with you. Or when you're brushing your teeth, you're losing 10 pounds. And that's just that. Slowly, your subconscious will literally start to believe it. So it's not like you're having to affirm constantly and repetitively while you're doing daily actions. You say to yourself, oh, when I go wash those dishes, it's going to help me manifest. When I go to sleep tonight, it's going to help me manifest. It's crazy. So it's really good to use the placebo effect when you're trying to make appearance changes, because we grow up thinking that we cannot change our looks. We look what we look like and we cannot change it. Like, this is just how we look. We cannot change it. This is what we're told constantly. So now you have this belief that it's you are the way that you are, and that's just that. We were just fed this information that we can't, but we can. So there's resistance that you have to work through with these old patternings. As you're struggling with this idea of your appearance changing because you believe that you can and that you look the way you look and that's just that, but You can affirm differently, like start saying that you are what you want to change. You can add feeling, so get on some happy music and add feeling to your affirmation. So put yourself in a happy state, or say you are in a situation or an experience with your friends or even by yourself and you're driving and you're just in a happy state already. Use that happy state to your advantage to manifest as well. But if you would like to use the placebo effect, here's some examples. Say that brushing your teeth helps you manifest quicker. Or even walking. Say you go for a walk. You tell yourself before that walk, okay, me going on this walk is gonna make my specific person text me. Me going for this walk will make my manifestation appear. This walk is speeding up my manifestations. Me making this YouTube video right now is helping me manifest my SP. Me clapping will help me manifest $200. Me dancing will help me manifest 1,000. It's what you tell yourself. So if something doesn't have benefit, like you going for a walk, you doing the dishes, you drinking water, it's just a daily task, make it have benefit in your life. And you can do this for eating, showering, fucking brushing your hair, spraying perfume. If you say it enough, your subconscious will have to believe it. So why not use the things that you're doing in a day-to-day, like say, you walking from class to class, if you're in school, me walking from class to class is going to help me manifest my specific person. Me walking from class to class is going to help me with this. This is literally the placebo effect. It's you convincing yourself and your mind that something has benefit even if it doesn't. Like me making a YouTube video, me reading a book, me going for a walk, me doing this, me doing that. I'm now adding benefit to it in the ways that I want to change my reality. So, I hope that this video helped you with understanding the placebo effect and how to use it to manifest your desires if you're just getting sick of affirming, because you do have to affirm to manifest because, thoughts. But you can also use your daily actions and what you're doing in a day to also help you manifest. So, yeah, use it to your advantage. I hope that this helped.